hindi makakalaro, no? Sayang. So si Benji Paras, on the decision of San Kobe to no longer continue his dad legacy as the Tower of Power. Yung Tower of Power, yan yung moniker, yung nickname ni Benji Paras, yung tawag. Kasi itong si Benji Paras, I think the only player in PBA history na nanalong MVP at Rookie of the Year. No? Wala pang nakagawa until now yung ginawa ni Benji Paras. Kasi rookie ka pa lang, no? Tapos naging MVP na agad, no? Kahit si Junmar, hindi nga ginawa yan eh, no? Nag-MVP si Junmar mga second season niya, no? Itong si Benji Paras ay rookie pa lang MVP na, no? So siya lang yung PBA player na nakagawa nito. So yan, kaya tawag sa kanya Tower of Power. Yan. Ayon kay Benji Paras, sayang, but I don't force my kids to do. So hindi nilang pinigilan yung mga anak niya kung ano yung gusto nila, no? Sabi niya, I support them in what we want to do and continue to give them advice. So itong si Kobe Paras, kagaya din ng kapatid ni